Welcome. In this video, I will show you how to manage LUTs on SONY ZV-E10 II. So to use LUTs or custom color mode on your camera, you're gonna have to, of course, switch it on, then press menu button to open the main menu. And first of all, to enable this feature, we're gonna have to scroll down to shooting option on the sidebar. Then select it and select first of all shooting mode. Then in shoot mode select manual exposure. Then after selecting manual exposure, you'll be able to select first of all, you're gonna have to go back to shooting mode, select image quality / resolution, and then you'll be able to select lock shooting setting. Select it and then set it to on. And then enable embed LUT file. Okay, we can also adjust the color gamut in this menu if you're interested. And now to import an LUT, we have to scroll one tab down on the sidebar to select exposure / color. And here we're gonna have to go to color / tone, and then we'll be able to select an LUT. So we have some preset LUT, so we have S-Log3, we have S709, we have 709 800%, and then the custom ones. Now, as you can see, I don't have no custom LUTs, so in order to add a custom LUTs, you're gonna need to use your SD card. You're gonna have to grab the cube file from the computer and drop it on your SD card, then insert it in here, and then in the main menu of the camera, you're gonna have to go back to this exposure color / color tone, select Manage User LUTs, and then select Import, and then select the LUT that were found on your SD card. Click OK, and then you'll be able to switch to that LUT in the menu I showed you previously, which is select LUT. And we also have delete all button to delete all the custom LUTs. And that's basically it. Thank you for watching this video. If it helped you, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.